Hi, today we are going to see one important topic, that is primary key versus unique key. And this is one of the important interview question that being asked to the persons, those who are having 1 to 1.5 years experience. Okay. Now we are going to see what is primary key and how to create the primary key by using the create table and difference between the primary key and the unique key. Now what is primary key? Primary key is a column of table which uniquely identify each row. Okay. Only one primary key is allowed to use in a table. And the primary key cannot contain duplicate and null values. And it can be used for the referential integrity, and primary key of one table can be referenced by the foreign key of another table. Okay. Now we will see how we are going to create the table with the primary key. Okay. Here I am going to create the table called customer with two columns, cust ID and name. Cust ID is the number and name is the character. And I'm going to create the primary key on the column cust ID. Okay. But here I have given ID and I will change it now. As the table already exists with the same name, I have just dropped the table. I have created the table also for demo purpose only. So I dropped the table and I recreated the table with the same name. Now it has got created. Okay. Now let me will check whether the table contains the primary key. Here on the left hand side, you can go and click under the tables, the table name. If you click the table name, it will open like this. You click the table name, it will open like this, and you can do refresh. So primary key has got created, but we have not given any name. The syntax, what we have given is only a limited one. It contains a lot of options. If we take all those things, it will take more time. So I've just given one crisp how to create the primary key. We give primary key name, then it will come over here. But here the system itself got created one constraint name. So primary key has got created on the column. Which column? Cust ID. Okay. Here it is not null, it has got created and it has got created under the cust ID. Index owner, everything has got created. Okay. Now we have created the table without primary key. How we are going to create the primary key after creating the table? Okay. Now we have created a table without primary key. Now I am going to use the alter statement to create the primary key. Here I am again checking it. There is no primary key available. We have got created a table without primary key. Now the table has got altered. That means primary key is added on the column customer ID. See, that has got created with the system constraint name. Now the primary key is has got created in the on the table. Okay, if you want to drop the primary key, what is the syntax you are going to use? We are going to use the alter table and we are going to drop the primary key. Just mention alter table customer drop primary key because the primary key is only one constraint you can have in the table. So just mention primary key, that is enough. See, now it shows table altered. Now I refreshed it. Now it shows without primary key. So the primary key has got dropped. This is the way you should create, how to create the, so far we have seen how to create the primary key along with the create table and how to create the primary key after creating the table. And now we have seen how to drop the primary key. Okay. Now we will see the difference between the unique key and the primary key. I'm just magnifying it to see that the create table statement. Some people told me that they are not able to see that SQL that query builder, so that I've just magnified it. You can just have one view about the create table. Okay. This is the syntax we have used so far. How to create table with primary key, how to create the table without primary key, and by using the alter table, how we have altered by adding the primary key, and how to delete the primary key from the table by using drop. Now we are going to see the difference between unique versus primary key. Primary key serves as a unique identifier for each row. And unique key is also doing the same thing, but it is doing for the row which is not the primary key. Okay. Primary key cannot accept null values and duplicate values. Unique key cannot accept duplicate values, but it can accept one null value. That is a single row with null value. A table can have only one primary key, but a table can have more than one unique key. These are all the important differences. In interview, they will be asking what is the difference between the unique key and primary key. You just tell about the primary key first, what is primary key. And sometimes if they ask syntax also, you can tell. And normally those who are having 1 to 1.5 years of experience, they will face this type of questions. Okay. So that it will be useful for the interview if they go through this video. Okay. Thanks. Bye.